We are very pleased to present you with this absolutely fantastic KTM 690 SMC R. Now these bikes are tremendous fun. It's a 2020 model with just over 4,000 miles on the clock, and as you can see, it's in fantastic order. It's absolutely littered with extras, which makes it really stand out from the rest. Obviously, cosmetically, as you can see, it's got this fantastic graphics kit on it. And then starting at the front, it's got the brilliant Dual.5 full LED headlight system. We've got the R&G crash bobbins, and that's all round. So we've got them on the front sliders, got them on the middle on the frame, then we have them on the rear and paddock stand bobbins there as well. We've also got a fantastic sump guard, a few little nice anodised bits like the oil filler plug, back brake pedal, and the same on the other side. We've got a nice anodised gear lever, we've got a wings exhaust with a carbon end cap. There's also a lovely steering damper on there as well, all just to help with the handling. It also comes with a private reg, a KTM private registration. But as you can see, it really is in lovely all-around condition. You can see there's also the anodised rear brake master cylinder cap there as well. We've just been right through this bike on arrival, serviced it, and it's got a brand new Bridgestone Battlax tyre. You can just see the rear caliper, all the spokes, everything's all good. It comes with both keys, original owner's books. So you can see that fantastic front headlight on there now. And you can see that is a decimal point, so it's 4261, so 4,261.6 miles. These really are a brilliant bike. It's nice to see one in such good condition with the tasteful extras that this one's got. Part exchange is welcome. We offer finance and PCP deals along with nationwide delivery. If you require any more information at all, then please do feel free to get in touch.